guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Ahí está la mami en la couch. Say hi, mummies. Hi. She's right there watching her little Toy Story. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be doing this unboxing of the Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Set. In this case, you're going to receive these products. 2 of them are going to be full size. Okay, right there, as it shows on picture. Nice deluxe samples of the rest of them. Right there, and then there's just information about the lip kit right here, and then it contains 7.10 grams and 0.234 ounces. It states right there. I was so excited just because I saw the Charlotte Tilbury, and then this one you always get the NARS, and then I was excited just because of the Selena Gomez right here lip pencil, and then right here is the Clinique, the really famous one on TikTok. And there's the Laneige lip treatment balm. So when I first saw it on the site, I was like, yes, I want to get it. Okay, and then this says that it's $28 US, $36 Canadian, $83 value of US, and then $95 value Canadian. So that's just a little info about the kit right here. Let's see, open it. And it's off and on the Sephora website. So if it's not available right now, it will be available again. Usually it's off and on, like I said. And a lot of the Sephora items they have online, it's always like that. It's off and on. Let me see if I can open this. You see. So I had to cut it because they didn't let me open it, and I don't want to ruin my nails because I really didn't. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. Okay, first product, let's just go to the main one right here. Charlotte Tilbury one, and this one is going to be in Pillow Talk. Okay, and it has a shelf life right there. 12 months it says after you open it. So look at the packaging, guys. So beautiful. Okay, and I had one of these, just like the little samples you get. Ooh, nice, I love it. Okay, it's gonna be the twist, and can you put it back? No. Okay, so I don't want to open it right now, but I don't want to swatch it just because I'm not gonna use it right now. But look at the color, guys. And I'm gonna put pictures at the end of this video so you guys can see the colors of the pigment on each one of this product. So there you go. So this is a twist. You cannot even put it back in, so that's why I don't want to open it just to swatch it, because I cannot be able to put it back in. Okay, the next one is going to be the NARS right here. And this one, you usually get it for the birthday gift, you know. And a lot of Sephora little kits, this one comes in it. So, let me see. I can open it. Okay, so there you have it right here. Just open it so you guys can see it. Let me see how much product you get. This one you can actually put it back in, so I don't mind showing you guys this one. See, it's gorgeous. The color is just going to be like a clear. You're not going to be able to see the color. See, little specks just of like a little beige, but it's like see-through clear. And this was really good on your lips. I just love to wear this one all the time. I always keep it on my purse, the little samples I got of this one. Okay, and this the Rare Beauty right here. Kind Words matte lip liner and fun. Okay, that's beautiful. Let me see. This is retractable or no? Let me see. Okay, it is. Look how beautiful it is, guys. The color is just perfect. Let's see. Okay, that's the color of the Rare Beauty in full size, so that's a plus, just like the Charlotte Tilbury. So I love that's retractable, so I don't have to sharpen it. Always comes in handy when it's like this. So love that one, that I got this one. The next one is the Clinique, and I've been like wanting to try this one because I've never tried it before, you know. see if I can open it. Is it retractable? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's swatch it. It's like the perfect color for your lips. So it's like a natural color that blends in with any skin tone. So just so you guys can see how it looks. Little gloss, just like the first one. The only matte is going to be the Rare Beauty, the Color and Fun. Right? Yeah. Okay. So that's cute. I like this. Can't wait to try it. And then you get the Laneige. And look, it looks like if it's all full. And all the product you get is just that small little dose right there. Okay, and it says lip treatment balm. Right there. And 0.07 ounces. 2 grams, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, 2 grams. On this one, let me see this one. What it says for... Okay, just look at the information on the back, guys. Let me see. Okay, the Charlotte Tilbury, you're going to get full size 2.4 grams, 0.08 ounces. The Clinique and lipstick and black honey. You're going to receive, let me see, 1.2 grams, 0.04 ounces. Laneige, like I read right now, 2 grams, 0.07 ounces. The NARS Mini Afterglow Balm, you're going to get 1.1 gram or 0.3 ounces. And the Rare Beauty, you're going to get 0.4 grams, 0.014 ounces. So there you go for the Laneige. Let me open it. Let's just see the packaging right there first. Okay. Let's open it up. Just have a set. That just smells like clean. Smells good. It's just going to be clear too, so I'm not even going to swatch that because that's what it is going to be too, just like the other ones. Okay, so yeah, just a little speck of color, which I like, you know. So I think this is a good set just to try on, especially if you're going to get these 2 items like full size. Right here, it's already paying, like one of them, it's already paying for the whole thing. So this is a good way to try these products just because one of them is already worth what this bag is. A little bit more, you know. So you're getting a great deal right there. And the rest of them, just see them as freebies. Just because, yeah, just these 2. One of them, it's already paying for the whole package. So you're basically getting the rest of them for free just to try on. So I think that's a great deal. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to purchase this kit. I know it's off and on from the Sephora website. So I'll leave a link so you guys can see that. And yeah, that's just a great way to try this items. That's what I got it for. The only one I had tried was only this one. And then the Laneige, I have a little sample that I've gotten before. So these are the only 2 items that I had actually tried on. Not these ones. So that's a great way to just for me to try them on. So instead of buying it, like, you know, by itself, if you were already going to buy one of these items, you know, might as well just get this little deal so you guys can try the rest of them. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video helped make your decision if you guys want to try some. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video if it's possible. Like, because it really helps my channel, guys, and this video. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye, mommy. Bye.